So, dear students, my name is T. Venkatrao, Tatpudi Venkatrao. I am working as a lecturer in chemistry in Vizag. So, shortly, generally known as TVR. So, in this class, we have to learn about quantum numbers. So, before you see this video or you listen this video, please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon. So, what is quantum numbers? So definition is the numbers which are used the numbers which are used to identify to identify to identify the accurate position of an electron. So what are quantum numbers? The numbers which are used to identify the accurate position of an electron in an atom. In an atom is known as quantum numbers. So what is quantum numbers? The numbers which are used to identify the accurate position of an electron in an atom is known as quantum numbers. Simply say, so the correct position of an electron in an atom, some numbers are used. That numbers are known as quantum numbers. So simply say another time, some numbers are used to identify or to find out the correct position of an electron in an atom. So they are known as quantum numbers. So definition. So to identify the correct place or correct position of an electron in an atom, scientists proposed 4 quantum numbers. So the quantum numbers are classified as first one is principal quantum number. Second one is azimuthal quantum number. Principal quantum number represented by small n. In azimuthal quantum numbers, last letter is L. So third one is magnetic quantum number. Small m. Magnetic first letter is M. Fourth one is spin quantum number. Yes. So there are 4 quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. So principal quantum number symbol N, azimuthal L, magnetic M, spin M. So quantum numbers are 4: N, L, M and S. The 4 quantum numbers are shortly referred as quantum mechanics. So this is an objective bit. These 4 quantum numbers are shortly referred as quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics means N, L, M and S. These 4 quantum numbers briefly or very shortly referred as quantum mechanics. So explain about quantum mechanics means we have to write about quantum numbers. So first you write it. So these four quantum numbers we have to simplify in a table. So first one is serial number, name of the quantum number, name of the quantum number. Next one is symbol. Next one is scientist. So not one. First we take scientist, next symbol. Scientist, symbol. Last one is applications. So first serial number 1. Name of the quantum number, principal quantum number. So principal quantum number was proposed by Niels Bohr. So symbol is small n. So applications, that means simply say applications means uses. First one, it represents number of shell or orbit, number of shell. Second one, size of shell. Third one, energy of shell. Shell is also known as orbit. So simple definition. What is principal quantum number? The number which represents number of shell, size of cell, and energy of cell is known as principal quantum number. So it represents a principal quantum represent first number of cell, second size of cell, third one energy of cell. For example, let me take example 1. If n is equal to 1, it represents first n is equal to 1, first cell. Second one, small size. Third one, low energy. Next, example 2. If n is equal to 4, that means fourth shell. Next, large size, high energy. So first you write it. Okay, write it. Next we go to azimuthal quantum number. Next, second one is name of the quantum number, azimuthal. Scientist is Sommerfeld. Symbol is small l. So application, azimuthal quantum number depends on principal quantum, that is called general L is equal to n minus 1. So azimuthal quantum number mainly represents shape of the orbital. So what is the definition of azimuthal quantum number? The number which represents shape of the orbital is known as azimuthal quantum number. It was discovered by Sommerfeld. Symbol is L. What is azimuthal quantum number? The number which represents shape of the orbital is known as azimuthal quantum number. Symbol is L. So L is equal to n minus 1. So L values, for example, L values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If L value is 0, that is s orbital. If L value 1, that is p orbital. If L value 2, d orbital. If L value 3, f orbital. If L value 4, h orbital. The next one is g orbital. So generally we use s, p, d, f orbitals. So if L value 0, s orbital. If L value 1, p orbital. L value 2, d. F value 3, f. L value 4, g orbitals. Generally we use s to f orbitals. Okay. Next, third one, magnetic quantum number. Magnetic. So scientist is Landé. Symbol is M. Symbol is M. Application, M value depends on M. So M is equal to 2L plus 1. So M values carries from minus L to plus L. So what is magnetic quantum number? M represents spatial orientation of an electron. Spatial orientation of an electron. Spatial orientation of an electron. What is magnetic quantum number? Definition: the number which represents the spatial orientation of an electron is known as magnetic quantum number. It was discovered by Landé. Symbol is M. So what is meant by spatial orientation? Next to explain. Simply say spatial orientation of an electron means presence of number of degenerate orbitals or suborbital. Number of degenerate orbitals in an atomic orbital. So simply say presence of number of degenerate orbitals. Simply say suborbitals. So in an atomic orbitals, how many suborbitals there? It represents spatial orientation of an electron. Okay, first write it. So your magnetic quantum number is very, very important, and we have to focus many things. So many focus to understand the magnetic quantum number. More focus is needed to understand, to explain the magnetic quantum. So let me repeat the magnetic quantum. Okay, complete. Third one is magnetic quantum number. Scientist is Landé. Symbol is M. Application. So M depends on L value. M is equal to 2L plus 1. So M values carries from minus L to plus L or minus M to plus L. So magnetic quantum number represents spatial orientation of an electron. So what is spatial orientation of an electron means? Presence of suborbitals or presence of d suborbital, another name degenerate orbitals. Presence of degenerate orbitals in an atomic orbital. So let me explain. So example 1. So example 1. If L is equal to 0, that means if L is equal to 0, that means for s orbital. If L is equal to 0, L is equal to 0 means for s orbital, M is equal to how much? M is equal to, we know that M is equal to 2L plus 1. So if L is equal to 0 for s orbital, M is equal to how much? So we know that M is equal to 2L plus 1. That is equal to 2 into, for s orbital L value is 0 plus 1. That is equal to 1. That means if L is equal to 0 for s orbital, M is equal to 1. That means, so s orbital, mean orbital is 1. So M value 1. So when we write for M values, so only one value, so that value is 0. That means for s orbital, there are no suborbitals. So for M is equal to 1, then for s orbital, no degenerate orbitals. So M value is equal to 0. So if L is equal to 0, so there is no suborbitals, M is equal to also 0. So let me explain another 2 examples. You can get complete idea on magnetic quantum numbers. So example 2. If L is equal to 1, that means p orbital. If L is equal to 1, that's called p orbital. M is equal to magnetic quantum number how much? Therefore we know that M is equal to 2L plus 1. M is equal to, for p orbital L value 1, that is equal to 3. So for p orbital M is equal to 3. So we write the M values minus N2 plus L. So if L is equal to 1, that means for p orbital M is equal to 3. We write the M values as first 0 plus 1 minus 1. We know that p orbital 3 types. This is px, this is py, that is pz. What is the M value for px? Minus 1. For py 0. For pz plus 1. So M is equal to 3. Another last clarification, third one is, if L is equal to 2, L is equal to 2 means d orbital, then M is equal to 2L plus 1. That is called M is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 5. So for d orbital, M value 5. That means they write as 0 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. So d orbitals 2 types, T2G orbitals, EG orbitals. The orbital with the square, they are known as T2G. The orbital without the orbital without square, they are known as T2G. That means dxy, dyz, dxz. The orbital with the x squares, that is a dx square minus y square, dz square, easy. So among the 5 orbitals, dz square special shape. So this is dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square. So dz square value for M value 0 because it has special shape. There is only one axis, z axis. So these are. So for d orbital split as 5 types. D orbital split as 5 types. And the first one, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. So s orbital, only it has no degenerate orbitals, only one type. P orbital split as 3 types. D orbital split as 5 types. F orbital split as 7 types. Why? P orbital has 3 suborbitals because its M value is equal to 3. That is known as spatial orientation of an electron. What is spatial orientation? Presence of degenerate orbital suborbitals in an atomic orbital. Spatial orientation means how many suborbitals in an atomic orbitals. So why p orbital is classified why p orbitals splitted or classified as 3 types? Because its M value 3. Only why s orbital has no suborbitals? Because its M value is equal to 1. That is the main orbital. M value 1 means only one orbital, main orbital. There is no suborbital. So M value 0. Why d orbital split as only 5 orbitals? Because for d orbital, M value is equal to 5. So so magnetic quantum number explains the splitting of an atomic orbital as suborbitals. So this is magnetic quantum number. Next, fourth one is name of the quantum number, spin quantum number. Last one, scientist it was discovered by two scientists. First one is Uhlenbeck and Goldsmith. Uhlenbeck and Goldsmith. Symbol is yes. In spin first letter is yes. Applications. It represents spin of the electron. Spin of the electron. So it has two values. S is equal, if S is equal plus of upward arrow mark, it represents clockwise direction of the electron. Clockwise direction of the electron. If S is equal to minus of or downward arrow mark, it represents anti-clockwise direction of the electron. So this is the spin. What is spin quantum number? The number which represents spin of the electron in an spin of the electron in an atomic orbital or in an atom is known as spin quantum number. It was discovered by Uhlenbeck and Goldsmith. Symbol is S. S has two values. S is equal plus of or upward arrow mark. It represents clockwise direction of the electron. If S has minus of value or downward arrow mark, it represents anti-clockwise direction of the electron. Okay, now the 4 quantum numbers are completed. So next let me just let me do a small bit on the quantum numbers objective. Okay, completed. So example, in sodium for valence electron What are the four quantum numbers? N, L, M and S? Question mark. So this is the question. So the question is also written as another time. Calculate the four quantum numbers N, L, M and S for valence electron in sodium atom. This is the question. So answer is, so in sodium, so sodium symbol is Na, atomic number Z is 11. So electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 we have to write neon, and last one is 3s1. This is the valence shell. Valence shell is also known as outermost shell. So valence shell. In valence shell there is only one electron. So here n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3. And for s orbital, L value 0. So when L is equal to 0, already there is no suborbitals, M is equal to 0. S is equal to only one electron downward. So this is plus R. Therefore, N, L, M, S, 3, 0, 0 plus R. This is the option. So the four quantum numbers for valence electron in sodium is the four, that means the four quantum numbers, that means four quantum numbers for valence electron in sodium is 3, 0, 0 plus R. Okay, this video is this quantum numbers are very important in some CBSE or state syllabus or anything. So you have to learn about magnetic. Learn about these four quantum numbers. So there must be 1 or 2 bits in any exam, national or state level exams. So now the quantum numbers are completed. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget subscribe my channel and to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. Let me meet next video. Okay, complete.